starter kit. So this is basically everything you would need to make beer, plus a little bit more just to get moving it along. First thing is the 24-liter bucket. This is a food grade bucket. We have a 23-liter PET plastic carboy. It's a big bottle basically. So much stuff, I don't even know where to start. We have a spoon, 60 centimeter food grade spoon. So if you can mix here, you can also flip it around and stir here if you need to. We have 2 bungs with airlocks. So this number 10 bung fits on here, and then the number 7 bung with airlock, S-airlock, fits on there. Then we have the L brush, works really good if you need to just clean real quick inside there. Nylon, so it won't scratch. We have the auto siphon with tubing, regular auto siphon with tubing, and a siphon clamp, so it makes it easy just to pump and get it started. We have also a hydrometer. Hydrometer, you can just place it right in here. You can also use the wine thief, where you put it in sideways. Don't put it in too fast. And that allows you to just take quick samples by just going up and down, up and down, up and down, and it'll give you a reading right here. We have a plastic bottle washer. You would attach this to your laundry sink, and it's like a pressure washer on your bottles. So we have, again, PET bottles. We just put it on there, and it would just squirt and spray everything out, specifically the sediment that's on the bottom of the bottles. Really, really handy. Stick-on thermometer, so you know what your temperature is for easy reading. You can put it on this plastic pail and get you an idea of what you're at in terms of temperature. And that's why we also have the electric brew belt. Electric brew belt, they're used during fermentation. You would just wrap it around here. If you have a cooler spot, this is where this is really handy. And then you just plug it in. It's set for temperatures. I think it's 25 Celsius. You can look into our description below for details on exactly how to use that brew belt. Moving on to the monster cleaner. How this works is you put in some cleaning solution. I'm going to use a wine bottle just because I have it right here, and you're just spraying it. So this is a fantastic tool because it just allows you to clean and coat the bottle very, very quickly without a lot of work of moving from one to another, and then just placing it onto the bottle tree for drying. Here, just a drying rack, or just to make sure that when you're drying your beer bottles, or if you don't want to have dust on your beer bottles, this is a really handy tool. And of course, again, your beer bottles and your caps. These are hand caps, so you just gotta, these are plastic, 500 mils, you get 24 of them. That'll be enough for the whole batch, which is 23 liters. You just hand tighten them and then you're good to go. And that's your all-in-one starter kit. Where you can buy it, and of course, it's at Danny'sWineandBeer.com.